Ningbo Jingheng Smart Technology Company Limited is an experienced manufacturer and designer of network cabinet, charging cart, outdoor network cabinet, open rack, PDU, and related accessories. As an innovative and dynamic team, we keep looking for new opportunities and challenges. Our professional sales are skillful and passionate about their work, and the research and development team is of high efficiency and strong professionalism. We always pursue to meet our clients' needs, and we'd love to offer OEM and ODM service for you. Our factory's high production capacity and large warehouse enable us to handle bulk orders effectively and efficiently. Some of our employees have more than 10 years working experience in this industry. Their hardworking and enthusiasm for work is highly appreciated. Before shipment, we will check each product to ensure the quality of the product. We also offer 24 hours online technical service for our clients. The past decade has seen Jingheng presented her trustworthy and comprehensive products around the world. Our network cabinets, server racks, and charging carts offer enhanced features, high quality, and excellent performance to support customers from USA, Mexico, Canada, UK, Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, Korea, Australia, etc. Whether you are a small or medium enterprise or a large corporate customer, we are always ready to serve you with our professional team and quality products. Hope to establish long-term business relationship with you.